Have you ever wondered how your favorite chocolate is made? From the moment it's harvested to when it reaches your hands, there's a magical transformation that takes place, a delicious alchemy that turns raw materials into the chocolate that you crave. Join us as we pull back the curtain and reveal the secrets of chocolate production. Get ready to be amazed by the intricate process and fascinating facts that go into making every chocolate bar. It's time to satisfy your curiosity and indulge in the extraordinary journey of how chocolate is made. The first step in making chocolate is harvesting the cacao beans. These beans are the seeds of the cacao tree, and they are found in pods that grow on the tree's branches. Skilled farmers carefully select the pods and then extract the beans. Once the beans are collected, they are fermented and dried. This helps to develop their flavor and prepare them for processing. After fermentation and drying, the cacao beans are ready to be sent to chocolate makers. During transportation, the beans are often cleaned and sorted to remove any impurities or damaged beans. At the chocolate maker's facility, the beans are roasted to enhance their flavor and aroma. The roasting process also helps to further develop the chocolate taste. Once the beans have been roasted, they are cracked and winnowed to remove the shells and leave only the nibs. The nibs are then ground into a thick, rich liquid called chocolate liquor. This liquid contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. To create different types of chocolate, the liquor is processed in various ways. For dark chocolate, the liquor is pressed to separate the cocoa butter from the cocoa solids. The cocoa solids are then conked, which means they are ground and mixed with sugar and other ingredients like vanilla. This process helps to refine the chocolate's texture and flavor. The cocoa butter is added back to the mix and the chocolate is ready to be molded and packaged as a bar. If you're a fan of milk chocolate, the process is similar. However, additional steps are taken to incorporate milk or cream. The chocolate liquor is combined with the other ingredients and then the milk is added. This gives milk chocolate its distinctive creamy texture and taste. And then there's white chocolate. It's made with cocoa butter, sugar and milk, but it doesn't contain any chocolate liquor. That's why it's not technically true chocolate, but rather a confectionery. Despite this, it's just as delicious and undergoes a similar molding and packaging process. Throughout the chocolate making process, temperature is a crucial factor. Each step is carefully controlled to ensure the chocolate reaches its full potential. From the initial roasting to the final molding, the right temperature makes all the difference. In addition to temperature, the quality of the ingredients used in chocolate making is paramount. Farmers, chocolate makers, and everyone involved in the supply chain work hard to source the finest cacao beans, sugar, milk, and other ingredients to create the best possible chocolate. It takes about 4 to 6 months from the time the cacao beans are harvested until the finished chocolate bar reaches the shelves. This includes time for processing, shipping, packaging, and quality control checks. But the amazing journey of chocolate doesn't end there. Once you get your hands on a chocolate bar, the sensory experience begins. The sight, smell, and taste of chocolate can evoke a range of emotions and memories. Whether you prefer dark milk or white chocolate, each bar has its own unique set of characteristics. Dark chocolate is known for its intense, rich flavor and health benefits. Milk chocolate is a crowd pleaser with its creamy sweetness, and white chocolate is a decadent treat with a smooth, buttery taste. At Cocoa, we're proud to offer a wide selection of high-quality chocolates that are crafted with care. We source our cacao beans from sustainable farms, and our chocolate makers are true artisans. Whether you're looking for a rich, dark chocolate bar or a creamy milk chocolate truffle, we have something to satisfy every chocolate lover's palate. So next time you reach for a chocolate bar, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it's been on. From the cacao tree to your hands, chocolate making is a truly magical process. And at Cocoa, we're passionate about sharing that magic with you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments below what type of chocolate you love the most. We look forward to bringing you more fun facts and behind-the-scenes glimpses of the chocolate world.